SWOT analysis isn't just a tool for brainstorming, it's a strategic lens that should guide your entire business plan. In this video, we'll show how to integrate SWOT into your planning process so that your goals, strategies, and actions are grounded in reality, not assumptions. Start with the basics. Your SWOT analysis identifies internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats. But once you have those insights, what's next? That's where integration begins. First, connect strengths directly to your business objectives. If one of your strengths is a loyal customer base, how can you leverage that in your marketing strategy? Maybe you prioritize referral programs, upselling, or community building. Strengths should inform how you grow, not just what you feel good about. Next, look at your weaknesses. Which ones could block your progress? If cash flow is a weakness, you might adjust your revenue targets, delay certain investments, or seek alternate funding. The goal is to create a plan that works with your reality, not against it. Weaknesses also help set your priorities. Fixing a key weakness could unlock bigger opportunities. Opportunities come next. These should directly shape your growth strategies. If you've identified a market trend, how will you position your product to meet it? If you see a competitor pulling back in a region, could you expand there? Opportunities aren't just nice-to-haves. They should inform your go-to-market moves. Finally, integrate your threats into your risk planning. Each major threat should have a corresponding mitigation strategy. If regulatory changes could impact your business model, build in contingency plans. If supply chain disruptions are a concern, diversify vendors or increase inventory buffers. Threats help you stress test your plan. To organize this, use a simple framework. Map each SWOT element to a key area of your business plan: product, marketing, operations, finance, HR, etc. Ask, how do these insights affect our plans in each department? You can also create a SWOT to action matrix. For every strength, ask how you'll use it. For every weakness, what's your improvement plan? For each opportunity, what initiative will you pursue? For every threat, what's your response? This keeps your business plan practical and aligned. It also makes it easier to communicate with investors, teams, or stakeholders. When they see that your strategy is built on analysis, not guesswork, it builds confidence and alignment. Remember, business planning isn't a one-time event. Revisit your SWOT and adjust your plan quarterly. Markets shift, teams evolve. What was a strength last year may be a weakness today. Continuous integration keeps your strategy current and actionable. In your course or leadership journey, this step is critical. SWOT isn't just a slide, it's the backbone of a business plan that actually works.